In this video, we review Starcomm's Area Search Tool. The Area Search Tool from the camera toolbar can be used to search for events in a specific area of the image. Find the Event Search tool by clicking the magnifying glass icon in the toolbar. Just drag to select your search area. Search results can be fixed on the screen for easier navigation. With smart filters like person, car, or animal, sort the list to view just relevant entries. Filter with the Select Object Type dropdown and by selecting your tags. Select a confidence level for recognition algorithm. Setting the confidence to a lower setting will allow for broader results, while increasing the confidence level on the slider will narrow the results. Use Yesterday, Today, or Calendar tabs to view events from a specific date. To review an event, simply click on it. Watch our other tutorials or contact Starcomm for additional information on our video surveillance monitoring portal and video surveillance hardware.